It began with the Centers for Disease Control painting a picture on Tuesday of the coronavirus's forecasted effect on the U.S.
Ultimately, we expect we will see community spread in this country. It's not so much a question of if this will happen anymore, but rather more a question of exactly when this will happen and how many people in this country will have severe illness.
But then yesterday afternoon, the House Committee on Energy and Commerce heard from national health officials.
This is a new virus, so we don't know what this virus is going to do.
And later last night, at a news conference where the president tapped Vice President Mike Pence to head a coronavirus task force, the nation heard from health officials again.
Trajectory of what we're looking at over the weeks and months ahead is very uncertain.
Then from the president himself regarding the potential for this strain of the coronavirus to reach pandemic proportions here in the U.S., as the CDC stated.
Every aspect of our society should be prepared. I don't think it's going to come to that, especially with the fact that we're going down, not up. We're going very substantially down, not up. But yeah, I think schools should be preparing and, get ready just in case. The words are just in case. We don't think we're going to be there. We don't think we're going to be anywhere close.
So are we headed for an outbreak, or is the coronavirus under control here at home? We asked Rhode Island Hospital's Director of Disaster Medicine and Emergency Preparedness, Dr. Salim Sooner.
It's likely inevitable that it will happen in the United States at some point. But there really is at this point no need to panic, particularly in the United States. There is no widespread transmission of this disease. There are isolated cases that have come from outside the United States, but there has not been large numbers of transmitted cases in the United States. Disease from influenza is a much bigger concern in the United States because it's rampant right now, it's everywhere, and we're seeing lots of sick patients in the hospital with it.
So far this season, the CDC says 29 million Americans alone have contracted the flu virus. 16,000 of them have died. Coronavirus has infected 81,000 worldwide, and about 2,800 have been killed by it. In the control room, I'm Ricci, Eyewitness News.